Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to calculate lot size on your USD or in forex in Metatrader 5 using Max Power Risk Management application. So first let's set the entry price, take profit and stop loss. So this is the stop loss, this is the take profit for our transaction, and this is the entry price. Entry price will be market value because I will use a order market. And as you can see, if I want to risk 0.5% for my account, then for this balance I will open 1.57 lots. If I will use 1% for my account, then the lot size will be automatically calculated. And here we can see the risk reward ratio for this trade. The risk reward ratio for this trade is 1.47. If I increase the take profit, then risk reward ratio will be automatically calculated and will be 1.74. The same thing will happen for lot size. If I decrease the stop loss, lot size automatically will be calculated. If I increase the stop loss, again lot size will be automatically calculated, and also risk reward value. Now let's open the trade. Okay, just a second to change in survival mode because I already opened a trade today. And in survival mode I'm able to open 3 trades per day. Okay, as you can see, in this moment I was able to open the trade. Here we can see that I risk for this trade 1% from my account, and here is the profit. Okay, now let's go in another currency, in USDJPY. Okay, and also in USDJPY let's try to open a short position. Okay, this is the stop loss, this is the take profit, and let's risk 0.55% for this trade. Okay, here we have risk reward ratio, here we have lot size, and now let's open the sell position. And as you can see, in this moment I was able to open a sell position. Here we have the risk for this position, and here we have the take profit for this position. This is all about lot size calculation in forex using Max Power Risk Management application in Metatrader 5. Thank you and have a nice day.